Well, hi there. So I've been working a little bit on this Pegasus interface for the Ten Tec Pegasus that I've been running in Python here, using Flask as a web server. And I've added a few things. I added this little S meter S indication. I kind of put the meter in the middle. I put more space in here, which was a real headache to do. And so that's about that. Oh yes, and I added this automatic noise reduction in notch knob, which I want to go through. It works really great with the Ten Tec Pegasus with the DSP. So here's some CW that's running on here right now. And what's cool is I can vary the bandwidth, and pretty much at 300 hertz, I can focus in on various conversations. And of course, if I get a wide bandwidth here, you'll hear a lot of CW. So here you're going to hear a lot more. And if I open it up further, you'll hear a lot more. And if I really open it up wide, so that's kind of a demo on why bandwidth is useful and what it's used for. It'll constrain a signal into a more narrow path. And since CW is very narrow anyway, you can differentiate the signals by taking the bandwidth down. So at this low bandwidth, so that's how that is useful. Okay, so what else is cool? Well, the automatic noise reduction in notch is really cool too. So let's try that out. So lower sideband mode. Let's find something going on here. So let's try now the automatic noise reduction. Let's find a conversation here. In English. Now let's try some noise reduction. So that really cleans things up. If you run the AGC on slow and turn on the automatic noise reduction, it really cleans up and it makes it more palatable. You're not hearing static all the time. So with that said, let's let's find something to notch out. So on 40 meters, there's lots of AM stations that are broadcasting from South America. Okay, here we go. So now I can notch this out. Gone, pretty much. Okay, here we go again. It's pretty slick. Boy, that cleans it up. QRZ, this is Kilowatt Bravo 3 Whiskey. QRZ, the CQ40 station. This is Kilowatt Bravo 3 Whiskey. W6SLA, W6SLA. Can you copy KB3W, Kilowatt Bravo 3 Whiskey in Las Vegas? Yeah, roger that. Call us Kilowatt Bravo 3 Whiskey, KB3W, Las Vegas, Nevada. Over. That's it exactly. And good visitors, I'm going to conclude this video now. And thanks a lot for watching. You can see how this thing works.